Feel like
free college for everyone. Juan, thank you for the call, my dear.
You're welcome, Inga.
Have a good one. Bye-bye. And the rest of you that are on hold would love to talk to you. Brian comes in to play around on Thursdays. At some point, we will talk mortgages because they're included in the Republican plan that was released today for taxes.
I know. I'm excited.
You're excited?
I think things are looking up.
All right, okay.
I think we're going to get that tax reform. I'm ready
find out.
for the boom.
We'll see. Okay. This is KNZR.
1560 KNZR, Bakersfield, 97.7 KNZR, FM, Chester.
They've rolled it out. I'm Lisa Lacera, Fox News. House Republicans pushing their plan for tax reform, the first planned change in 3 decades. They say a family of 4 earning $60,000 a year will save $1,200. It doubles the standard deduction and expands the child tax credit, but limits deductions for state and local taxes.
With this bill, there's relief for real American families. There's relief for American workers, and there's tax relief for hard-working job creators of all sizes.
Ways and Means Committee Chair Kevin Brady of Texas, Democrats aren't sold.
Today, House Republicans unveiled a bill that raises taxes on millions of middle-class families and borrows trillions from the future just to give massive new tax breaks to the wealthy, and especially to their friends, corporate America.
House Democratic leader Nancy Pelosi. President Trump names his choice for the next head of the Federal Reserve.
Passing over current Fed Chair Janet Yellen, President Trump nominated Federal Reserve Board member Jerome Powell as the next chairman of the nation's central bank.
He has proven to be a consensus builder for the sound monetary and financial policy that he so strongly believes in.
Powell, who must win Senate approval, will likely be seen as a safe choice who could represent continuity.
No, I would just like a one kid's meal.
What kind of kids meal?
Girl. Hamburger. You want hamburger?
Okay, and you said for a girl?
Yes.
Okay, and is it going to be apple slices or yogurt for the side?
Yogurt.
And for the drink?
Some the cream.
What kind of drink?
Pepsi.
Pepsi?
I'm sorry?
Pepsi?
Is Coke okay?
That's Coke. That's fine. And,
Okay.
and a side order of a large fries, and that's it.
Okay, and 1 large French fry. Total's going to be $7.49 at the first window.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Look at Jasmine.
Huh?
There you go.
You have to give me money.
I'm giving you nothing.
I'll give you your. I'll give
Thank
you.
you.
I'll give you the fish.
Thank you.
Have a great day, sir.
Oh, you too. There you go. Save that. Put your food in the thing and save it for later.
Hey.
You have candy here. Come see your candy. You can take it with you?
Yeah.
Okay. You fit it all in there. Oh, this is yours.